A tender, juicy mushroom filled with melting cheese and fresh shrimp. This appetizer is so mouth-watering. Hi, I'm Ken Man. Today we are making cheesy mushroom bake. Our first ingredient is white mushrooms. It's best to choose larger ones, and we need to remove the stems of the mushrooms. The remaining part looks like a small cup, so it provides enough room to add some filling. One part of the filling is shrimp. Chop the shrimp into a paste-like consistency. Then put it in a small bowl. Another ingredient is cheese. Mozzarella cheese is the best for this dish. Cut the cheese into small cubes and put it all in the bowl as well. Then add some white pepper and a little bit of salt. Mix well to distribute the cheese evenly. Next, stuff the filling into the mushroom cups. Use a spoon to fill them and press down gently. Pack in as much filling as you can. Make sure there's no empty space left. Now we need a baking tray. Place a sheet of foil on it, then position the mushrooms one by one. Set the oven temperature to 375 Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes. As the cheese melts, the aroma of mushroom and shrimp fills the air. I know waiting is hard right now, but we need some patience. Time's up. Our baked mushrooms are ready. Let me take a bite first. Wow! Tender, juicy, and savory. This mushroom is packed with various flavors. Each bite delivers a rich blend of umami taste and creamy cheese. It's a perfect balance of texture and flavor. You'll love it if you try it. I'm Ken Man. See you next time.